We just pulled up at this place. It's apparently they have like the world famous burgers here, and we ordered some burgers. We ordered the food. Now we're waiting. Mom is hungry. Look at her hair, all pretty and everything. Mom, what are you doing? What's up, everybody? I just made it to the Airbnb that we got, Lakeside House. It looks pretty cool so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out with my mom. And to her right, Mom?
It's only the micro with the coffee, toast, the bread, and dishes. This is the fresh. It's a little fresh for the studio. This chimney, I love the chimney for winter. Not right now because it's so hot.
Now that my mom gave you a tour of the kitchen, this is the bedroom. It's got a really nice bed. Got a bunch of drawers here. And this is the bathroom, or restroom as some like to call it. But you've got a really nice sink. Now this bathroom is pretty modern. I like it. This is the outside part of the lake house. My mom is going to go over there on the dock. And earlier they were working on some trees. Apparently there was a storm and it knocked a tree down, so they were chainsawing it. And I wasn't sure how long they'd actually be out here because I couldn't film anything, but that's okay because now it's all good and it's very quiet, just like the reviews that I saw. This is super gorgeous.
Fishes.
There's little fishes, Mom?
Ahí está. Friego, mira. De allá se mira todo.
Look, my mom thought this was a hammock. This lake, I believe, is called Palestine Lake or Palestine Lake. It's huge. When you look at it on the map, it's really, really long and big. Looks like someone fished and they just left the fish here on the line. Mom, what do you think of this place?
It's nice. Peace. It's in peace.
Mom, what do you think of this place?
Macy's, beautiful.
All right, there's a canoe. I took some of the water out because it rained, but I'm gonna try to get this canoe out there. I'm not sure if these paddles are gonna work. They're kind of small. I've used the big ones, but not the small ones. But I'll give it a try. So let's see. Got the life jacket on, and let's go head out there. I'm a little nervous. And there you go. All right. Wait a minute. Does this boat leak? It may leak, I'm not sure, but whatever. We'll see. I'm headed toward this log or this stick, this dead tree sticking out of the water. Woo! This was my goal here to get to this one, just because it stuck out. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna touch it. And boom. That was a fun paddle. I went pretty far, and I'm gonna head back, see what my mom's up to. Don't want to leave her too much alone, but I know she enjoys the peace and quiet. And gonna have some dinner, and then we're gonna call it a night and enjoy the rest of the evening together and just watch a movie, eat, chit chat and stuff. She was telling me some stories yesterday. It was pretty awesome. Although I have a full-time job, I still make it a point to go out and adventure wherever I can find nature. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and wake up my mom because she's sleeping right now. I'm gonna pack up and take off. I've got a lot of things to do later this afternoon. And remember, as always, stay fresh, cool, clean, and roam with Jeep.